Have you ever looked at the roof of a modern car and wonder why almost every vehicle has a small shark fin shaped bump sitting on top? At the first glance, it looked like nothing more than a sporty design choice, but that tiny fin is actually one of the smartest hidden technology on your car. Welcome back. Today, we are uncovering the surprising purpose behind the shark fin antenna and why modern cars simply can't do without it. Years ago, cars relied on long metal antennas sticking out from the hood or roof just to receive AM and FM radio signal. They worked, but they bent easily, broke in automatic car wash, created wind noise at high speed, and spoiled the clean look of the vehicle. As technology advanced, car needed much more than just radio, GPS navigation, Bluetooth satellite radio, mobile data, Wi-Fi hotspot, remote unlocking, emergency SOS services, and connected apps all required their own antenna. Engineer faced a challenge where they fit all these antennas without covering the car in ugly metals. The answer was surprising simple, a compact housing placed at the highest height of the vehicle where it has the clearest view of the sky, but instead of making it square box that would slow the car down, they shaped it like a shark fin. This sleek design lets air flow smoothly over the roof, reducing drag and cutting down wind noise while protecting the electronics inside from rain, dust, and harsh weather. In beneath that plastic cover is not a signal antenna but a collection of advanced receiving working together. One communication with GPS satellite to calculate your location within second, another connect to cellular network so your car can receive software update and leave traffic information, while the other handle satellite radio, keyless entry, and wireless communication between your car and the outside world. In many newer vehicles, even traditional FM and AM antennas are now clearly hidden inside the rear window glass, leaving the shark fin to manage the car most advanced communication system. Without this tiny device, many of the feature drivers use every day, from navigation and emergency association to internet connected server services,